Do you want an easy way to elevate your website and social media pages, but you don't have the time or the skills to create beautiful graphic pieces? Then this video is for you. As a business, and particularly as a designer, people kind of expect you to have a flawless website and Instagram page, and it's difficult if you don't plan in advance or you don't really know what to post. You post low-res pictures or you're not intentional about what you post. And I found this tool that I need to tell you about because I haven't had Photoshop for 3 years. I know one of my videos, my Photoshop videos, went viral, and I would love to make more. The thing is, I'm not using Photoshop anymore because I delegate all the projects in my business to my team. And so I have no more design softwares on my laptop. So I don't have Photoshop. But I found this free tool recently because I wanted to elevate my Instagram page. And I had to do a little bit of research on Google to find it. It's amazing. If you don't have Photoshop, you're getting started, you're a student who doesn't have the budget for Photoshop, whatever it is, I've got a free tool that you can just open on your web browser. It's free. It looks exactly like Photoshop. So I want to show you that. And then I'm going to show you how you can create mockups. So beautiful mockups that make you look professional and on brand. It makes your page look consistent and like you really thought about the content because the images are beautiful. It's not just one image of an interior that you renovated, but then you put it in a beautiful mockup that completely elevates your page. And this is what we're going to do in today's video. I'm going to jump on the computer. I'm going to show you this tool and how you can create a mockup using another free website. And that tool that I told you about that is also free. So let's get into it. Okay, so we are on the computer. I generally use Chrome, but for some reason, there's an issue, so I'm going to use Safari. I'm on my MacBook. Anyway, it's not going to change anything. So what you want to do is go onto Google and search, let me drop this, and search the website freepik.com. This is the website that we are going to use to find mockups. And then you're also going to open Photopea. This is the free tool that looks exactly like Photoshop. You can upload PSD files, Illustrator, PDFs, lots of different things. So you're going to open this in your Chrome or Safari or whatever you're using for a browser. And we're going to go first to the free pick, which is where we're going to look for a nice mockup to edit. So I'm going to look for a magazine mockup. I want to choose PSD and free license. If you have a premium license, I think it's worth it. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to use the free version. And you're just going to look for a mockup that you like. So when it has this, it means that it's premium. And I'm not sure why it's showing it because I clearly filtered the free one. Okay, decided I'm going to download this mockup. So I will be able to replace these two pages with something from my own work. So you're just going to click on download. With the free version, I think you can only download 10 mockups every day. So I just downloaded it, and then I'm going to go into Photopea, and I'm going to upload the mockup that I just downloaded. And you have two things. You have the JPEG and you have the PSD file. So you're going to open the PSD into Photopea. The free version of Photopea has ads, but to be honest, it really doesn't bother me since it's free. So this is the mockup that I downloaded. And as you can see here, we have different things going on. What we're interested in is looking at the pages that we can edit and quickly replace those pages by our own projects. So we're going to go here on the arrow, and you're going to see it's very easy to use because they tell you exactly what you should be doing. So where it says your design here, you're going to double click and it's going to open a new page. So this is your page. And what you want to do is to go to File, Open and Place, and then you're going to look for a project. So the ideal is to look for a project that will be the same format as the page that you downloaded. So let's say that we are going to download this one, upload. I'm just going to drag it so that it fits nicely. We did the 3D render for this. We didn't design it, but I'm going to use the 3D renders to showcase what we can do for 3D rendering. So here you go, and then you're going to go to File. Let me move my hand. File, Save Smart Object. Okay, it's saved. And then you're going to go back to the main file. Ta-da! It changed it. You didn't have to do anything. Let's go to the other one. Obviously, you can think through a little bit more about what you want to do. Find the mockup that really works for your page. I'm going to actually show you some of the mockups we used on my Instagram so that it looks really neat and professional. But let's go back to this page. So this is a shadow. We don't need that. This, we just did it. Brochure 1. Your design here, you're going to double click. And we're going to choose another project, or actually I'm going to use the same project, but another render. So open and place. Okay, we're going to save smart object. And then we're going to go back to the main file, and here you have it. I haven't chose the best renders. I actually feel like this is, with the shadow, it's making it look very dark. But let's see if we can possibly, okay, we can move that, and I actually may want to make it a little bit lighter. And since it's on top, I may want to drop it so it's below the image. So actually, now we can put it a little bit darker. So we're now on my Instagram page, and this is what the mockups look like. So this one, I downloaded it from FreePic as well, and then I just replaced the images with whatever I wanted here. And it's always the same process, but it makes the page look sleek rather than just, you know, drop this page on the carousel. It's nicer with the mockup. Same thing here. You actually can see that it's the same one, but it's zoomed in, and I changed the background color. We have another one here. We have another one here. And another one here. Some of them are Canva as well, but the ones that look a little bit more sleek are always from FreePic. So it makes everything looks really beautiful and professional. This is the very simple way that you can elevate your social media pages and your website, but by including mockups in it. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know.